Malcolm-Jamal Warner's widow sues his mom for $1.2 million in prenup dispute on death anniversary. Malcolm-Jamal Warner's widow is suing his mother in a prenuptial dispute 1 year after the actor died. News broke on Tuesday, July 21, that Tenisha Warner filed a lawsuit in DeKalb County Superior Court against his mother, Pamela Warner. Pamela is the successor trustee of the Warner Family Trust, which Malcolm-Jamal set up in 1996. In court documents obtained by Us Weekly, Tenisha, 48, claims she is entitled to more than $1.2 million from the trust.
An unlocked iPhone 14 for just $299? This renewed 128 gig model gives you a vivid OLED display, 5G, and the freedom to choose your carrier. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/6 before it's gone.
Tenisha alleged that the sum is the equivalent of what Malcolm-Jamal had promised her as part of their May 2022 premarital agreement. Tenisha alleged that Malcolm-Jamal did not deliver before his death, explaining that she is a creditor of his estate. In her complaint, Tenisha alleged that Malcolm-Jamal's estate is currently unrepresented and will be inadequate to satisfy his obligations to her. She claimed that the property of a California-based family trust is liable for his debt to her. While the administration of his estate is contested, Tenisha claimed that her rights are vulnerable. Plaintiff performed all obligations required of her under the agreement, including entering into and remaining in the marriage until the decedent's death, the lawsuit reads. The decedent died without having satisfied his obligations under the agreement, and no person or entity has paid or provided the sums due to plaintiff under the agreement. The lawsuit is seeking to block Pamela from distributing trust property while the dispute is litigated. In the court documents, Tenisha included a copy of the prenuptial agreement, which was signed before the pair tied the knot in 2022. The documents indicated that Malcolm-Jamal's annual earnings were about $680,000, and his net worth was around $3.4 million. At the time, Tenisha was unemployed and had a net worth of about $0. She was pregnant with their second child and had been living together at his properties in Atlanta and Los Angeles per the agreement. The agreement noted that Malcolm-Jamal was to buy and maintain a $1 million life insurance policy, where Tenisha was the sole beneficiary, and agreed to get a $1 million life insurance policy on her. She was named as the primary beneficiary. Tenisha, however, claimed in the court documents that Malcolm-Jamal did not get either insurance policy and alleged that he did not pay her $5,000 per month as his chief of staff and give her $16,000 per year on their anniversary. She further alleged that Malcolm-Jamal did not fund a tax-free retirement account for her and maintain college funds for their children. Tenisha alleged that she is owed at least $1,276,042 plus interest and attorney fees. She also filed a creditor's claim in the DeKalb County Probate Court against Malcolm-Jamal Warner's estate, where she sought the same amount. Malcolm-Jamal drowned in July 2025 on a Costa Rican beach after he was caught in a riptide. At the time, Malcolm-Jamal was traveling with Tenisha and their daughter. Later that year, Pamela spoke out in an interview with Us about what Malcolm-Jamal's legacy would be. What was important to him was integrity, she said in December 2025. Your craft is your baby, and you must treat it as such. But more than that, be the best human you can be.